Alchemy of Memories we felt is very apt right now because we'll have more of these things happening, oral histories happening, knowledge sharing happening between people to people. The documentation of histories, documentation of art and culture, all these through people as an important medium of communication.
When we talk about Alchemy of Memories, we always look at people. When we look at illustrators, we look at famous artists, we look at designers, they always draw from their bank of memory to create works. And we look at people and we thought it would be interesting if we can ask people to look at familiar objects from their memories and try to piece together a piece of art.
I think it's like, I hope it's some way that they're kind of revisiting thoughts they've generally not kind of, dwelled on. That's what it did to me, especially when I thought about it and I thought about the illustration. It kind of just made me recap everything that, was value and my favorite memories. It was somewhat like a documentation of that.
Alchemy is the process of drawing from within yourself, an understanding and an interpretation by which the design or the illustration that you make becomes special and has a depth to it.
It's called Chai Story, and it's about how chai exists in two parallel dimensions. Like it's on the street side stalls, and it's in a posh, homely setting.
So my work describes about what I feel about my family. So I just created something that connects me with them. So with history, with food, with their words and lessons.
I just talked about my trip in India 10 years ago when I was not even 20, and how I didn't have the same feel of time than now. So that's how I expressed that's what I expressed on my book.
My experience was good. The images actually were quite interesting. I felt as if each image sort of evoked something in me, and they actually made you wonder about the past that maybe people before you had.
I think the gain from the workshop will happen over time, and it will hopefully trigger a process in them. It's not really about what they show today, it's about how it all comes together. We are just those messengers, we'll just start off that process and it will find its own way.